Never have I ever kissed someone on the first date. Never have I ever kissed someone on the first date.
Hi guys,
What's
hello
up, guys?
Welcome back to our channel. My name is Esther and
I am Daodu.
what's that?
It's my new masculine voice.
Okay, he's Daodu, guys. Welcome to Daodu and Esther's YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, like our videos, share with family and friends. And if you are old here, you know we love you guys.
Always, we always love you guys.
Yeah, so let's go straight into today's video. So today's video will be doing the never have I ever game
Challenge.
Yeah.
Bring it on.
So yeah, let's go right into the video. We hope you guys enjoy today's video.
Totally.
Yeah,
I'm going to enjoy it. We've got cards with us. This states I have, and this states
this
never.
is mine, and this is never for me.
I love your idea.
Well, I use different colors.
Never. Yeah. No, you kept it.
Oh yeah, I kept it together. So okay, so let's go straight into the video, babe.
Okay, so first question is, never have I ever kissed someone on the first date. Never have I ever kissed someone. Oh, what first date? Is it first day I'm meeting the person or first day you guys go out together?
Why do you have to complicate the question?
I don't know, because I need to understand where my never will come in or my I have will come in.
I don't know. I think maybe let's use first time you're going out
You
with the
guys
person.
go out. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So maybe I have.
I have, kind of. I think so, maybe.
Bad boy.
I'm a bad boy. I'm a boy. But without the bad. I'm a G-boy. Good boy. Okay. Yes, I have, kind of.
I haven't, guys. Never.
Okay, next. Have I ever double dated?
Double dated.
Yeah.
Jeez. Babe, show your answer. Are you sure?
Yeah. I think so, yeah, never.
Okay, never. Me too, never.
I've never double dated.
Aww.
I've single dated, not double dated.
Okay.
When I'm with you, I'm with you.
Aww.
In.
Faithful
There's no,
guy.
yeah, there's no in and out here.
Okay.
So number 2, never have I ever kissed someone of the same sex. Bleh. Sorry. Bleh.
No.
Never. Kissed someone of the same sex. Nah, never.
Never.
You.
What's you?
Okay, never have I ever smoked. Not fish, we're not saying fish. Oh, people smoke fish actually. Actually you can like just grind fish, dry fish, just grind and just wrap it.
Are you okay? How can you say?
I
What are you
like
saying?
people can
Smoke
smoke
fish?
Yeah.
No, smoke cigarettes or whatever.
Oh, okay, cigarette, no, weed, cigarette, no, never, ever.
Never. Wow.
Never.
Like I've never done a lot of things.
Never. This one you should be able to have done this one.
Okay.
Never have I ever cried in public.
Have you? Really, babe? Are you serious?
How
old? Like how old were you?
In a bus, is that public?
Yes, no.
In a public bus, that's like a commercial bus. Is that public?
Babe, when was that?
So it was before we met, 2014.
In school already.
Yeah, I was in school. I said 2014. That's how I'm in school now.
Oh yeah, like
2014.
I was trying to imagine.
So
Like cry.
December-
Why?
December-
What happened to you?
Do you want me to say it on screen? I'm not saying it on screen. I've cried before, guys. I have cried before. I'm not saying it on the screen. It's my personal secrecy.
You give me the gist later.
I'm not giving you the gist
Maybe you
later.
have to give me the gist.
I have cried in public. That's if you call. But I bent my head, so it's still personal. It's not public.
No, that's crying. As long as you cried, if you like bend your head, if you
I bent my head like this. Dripping. Next topic.
Okay.
Next question.
Okay, I've had one gist for today. Okay, next.
Behind the scene. No, I'm not telling you this.
You will, baby. Next.
Okay, next. Never have I ever lied in a relationship.
Why not now? What's your answer? I have like
But there's nothing. I don't
30
believe in.
lies.
I don't believe in white lies or this. But I just feel the lie
lie
is
is a
not.
lie, right?
Yeah, the lie is not something concrete. It's not something that can actually end your relationship. So.
Yeah. Same
So
here. Not something that can actually end your relationship.
So it's just probably like little thing like, did you steal the meat? Like. I don't know. I don't so kind of
So just petty stuff.
It's just not something real.
Mine is like, especially, where are you? Are you close? Yes, I'm close. I'm still in the house doing my makeup.
Girls do that to me. It's no big deal. Okay. Never have I ever farted in front of my partner. In fact, can I borrow yours? Said, so I have. Facts.
Jeez, babe. Let's not talk. King of it all.
We even used to do competition. The best farter. Who farts the best? So it's something we take pride in.
I swear, there's no big deal in that one.
There's no big deal.
So.
Oh, never have I ever done something I thought I would never do. Never have I done something I thought I would never do.
I have. Have you?
Jesus, I wasn't expecting this one. Thought I would never do. Oh, okay.
Mine was like, the one I can remember is like roller coaster.
Oh, you.
I thought I would never do that because it took a lot of courage to try that, and after trying it, I'm not so sure if
you'll try it again.
If I'll try it again.
I'll still try it again, even though it was scary. Trust me.
Like super scary. Jeez.
After trying the first time, it was scary.
Yeah,
I still tried it
again.
Second time.
You tried it again. I didn't.
It was still scary though. But still, I had to come up with my own special method. So guys, if you want the special method, just drop in the comment section. I'll give you the special technique to beat roller coaster, so you don't get scared, you don't have panic attacks.
Jeez, babe, I would never try that thing again. My heart was like.
But you pay, it's not for free. You pay. Yeah, that's very scary. Like,
really scary.
That's
next one.
So next, I don't know mine for done something I thought I don't know. I can't remember now, but I feel I should have, because I like taking risk, taking chances.
Yeah.
I feel I should have. Never have I ever sent the dirty text. Never have I ever sent dirty text to the wrong person.
To the wrong person.
To the wrong person. I have never. I actually don't send dirty text. So in terms of picture, words, text message, or anything, never. I don't think I have. Never. I don't really do that. She's the only one I send dirty.
Maybe shut up.
She's the only one I send dirty stuff.
Shut up. Next.
And I know it's only her name that is special on my phone, so I know I can't send it to somebody else. So that's it. Okay.
Casted. Okay.
Never have I ever lied about my name and number. This one is never. Why should I lie?
I have lied about my name, about my number.
Yeah, it's actually norms for a girl. If you haven't, then I should be worried.
I have lied about my name, lied about number, lied about where you live. Do you live here? Yes, I live over there. Just leave me alone.
I don't think I have.
You haven't?
No. My name is precious to me. It's prestige. So Daodu, you need to basically understand what Daodu is. So I don't like giving it something fake. So
can you speak English?
Okay, next.
Next one.
Never have I ever gotten drunk in public. Gotten drunk in public. I have gotten drunk in public. Yes, I have. But in public, in what sense? I went for a gathering like with my friends, and I got drunk, and for me, I felt I was still in my right senses.
You're conscious.
I was conscious of what was going on around me, but the lady that drove me home said she doesn't think so. Like, really?
Was it the day that?
Yeah, they went for a drinking party.
That you spoke like more Japanese than you ever spoken before.
I was drunk and I was speaking Japanese like it was my first year in Japan, and I was speaking Japanese like somebody that spent 20 years in Japan.
Like,
I think I need to be getting drunk now so that
you speak Japanese.
Maybe I'm going out speaking Japanese and like konnichiwa, watashi. So that's it. I think so.
Really?
Yeah, so I know I was drunk. She said when I went, because it was in an hotel room, like with my friends, colleagues, and all, and she said I went to the toilet to pee, and I spent like 15-20 minutes.
Were you sleeping there?
No, I was peeing. So I spent like 15-20 minutes. Like, huh?
They're not like, are you okay?
Really? To me, it was like I spent like just 1 minute. Go just do my thing. So I spent like 20 minutes. Oh, really? Sorry, I didn't know.
Jeez, I've never gotten drunk before.
She doesn't like alcohol, so she will never
I've
get
never
drunk.
taken alcohol before.
So she's never going to get drunk. She's never going to get drunk.
Jeez, maybe one day I'm actually going to try.
She's never going to try it. Don't let her deceive you. She's never going to try it. Trust me, she's
He
never
has
going
begged
to
me
try it.
times, don't know, but just try, just
Never,
take a sip. It's not so bad.
Never, ever will she ever try alcohol. Simple.
Baby, that's not fair. Now don't just write everything off like that. You never can tell. One day I might just be in the mood.
The point is this: it's not about the drinking now or the getting drunk part. The smell is what puts her off. So just putting it close to her nose alone, she's like, the first thing is it peppering your throat? How does it feel in your throat?
Baby, stop
Bring this
stressing
thing.
me.
It's like, how does it feel in your throat? Like, okay, never mind. Don't drink it. Just give it to me. So because of herself, in a way, I've actually stopped drinking alcohol.
Yeah,
So
he has
because of
stopped
her,
because he said he doesn't like drinking
it
alone.
you enjoy drinking with someone. Because of her, and I don't even drink it again. I just say that, just take juice. She's like, get juice.
Yes.
Okay, I have this. It's so bad. She even told me like, is there any juice alcohol?
Yes, baby, because I don't like the smell is not nice, and like the fact that you say
Alcohol
okay,
is the smell. Ethanol has a smell. Like,
and also
smell.
the one you said about the throat and everything. No, I can't try
So-
that.
Fun fact: she would never, ever will she ever take alcohol. So that's it. So she will never get drunk. I remember last time me and Wilson we got drunk. And Wilson was
You're gonna be
dancing.
using the camera.
Yeah, he's there. Wilson, I hear you. Okay, next.
Okay.
Never have I ever lied to my parents just to get something. Few days ago to say me I've lied though. Plenty times. Now it's just not that now I can say it because then I know I couldn't say it then, but now I can say it because if you should just talk, I'll just say I've sent you something to your account. Just like
Go and take it.
compensate it. You used to compensate for what have happened in the past.
School lies. Those periods.
BVN. I remember then he sent me money like to my account. Like,
Your popsi sent
yeah,
you
my
money.
popsi sent money in school. I was like, Dad, you sent it to the wrong account. I haven't done my BVN for that account. It's like, really? I was like, yeah. He's like, okay, I'll send you another. Immediately sent another. Like,
Twice.
oh, money. And truly, actually, BVN held the other money, but it was something I could actually do easily. But you understand? Just to get the extra cash out of that. So.
He's going to call you now.
Pops,
and be like,
don't worry,
I heard
don't
what
worry,
you said.
don't worry. Just check your account balance. Something should have entered. I'm paying you back for that. Okay,
Alright, next one.
that's all.
Are you serious?
Yeah,
Oh
that's
God,
everything.
I'm having so much fun.
That's all.
Oh.
That's all.
Alright, guys.
Or do you have any other one in your head?
Do I have?
Never ever have I
Never have I ever danced in public.
danced in public. Me have danced.
Crazily in public.
Me have danced. Me, I love dancing, so I've danced in public.
You love dancing.
Yes, there's clubhouse. I've danced in clubhouse. Is public now.
Oh, that's true.
I've danced in
I
public
have.
for you. So that's dance.
Okay, yeah, let's just stop it here.
Sure. Okay.
Okay, guys, we hope you enjoyed today's video, and yeah,
We did.
we did. And yeah, don't forget to like this video, share this video with family and friends, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. And if you've noticed, we've been trying to upload twice a week, so please support us and watch our videos. Second video. So yeah, love you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.